Hey there! Why are you in my room? Don't ask questions. Do you have a problem with AI? No. Well, I'm going to get out of my room! Alright, I know many people probably beat this entire topic into a pulp, but it seems like AI is on the rise now. And I'm not really surprised that it is. It's a new technology that is successfully captivating people with its ability to create or have conversations similar to that of humans. Thing is, I'm not a stickler for it. Frankly, I see it as though I'm the only one to have this opinion, though I could be wrong. Despite this, I wanted this to be one of the first videos I post because I have a few bones to pick with AI. Bone 1. Inefficiency. I know that AI is a tool that makes people's lives supposedly better because it's magical and all that amazingness, but it's just a computer. And computers need to be able to do complex things and obtain answers from multiple different sources. Sure, it does this, but at what cost? There are multiple different places complaining about how data centers, the places controlling the AI models, by the way, are causing problems for different people in that area. Low sleep, bad water, just to name a few. What's worse, they aren't incentivized to make any of these issues better because they aren't being taxed at all for having these lands or causing the well-being to suffer like this.
Hey guys, Editor Dom here. Just wanted to say, uh, data centers do get taxed for land, but they don't get taxed for actually building the data centers, and that's what I was kind of trying to get at. So, yeah, continue with the video.
Bone number 2. Dimwittedness. Hear me out. AI is dumb. I can guarantee that some of your searches have been wrong at one point or another, and sometimes that is user error, but other times it's the fault of the AI. It can learn, sure, but it does not have memory like a normal human can, nor can it be personable without the need of some money that you're willing to chuck it at for some periods of time. Anyways, bone number 3. Usage. For this section, I'll make an example. Say you had a test tomorrow, and you didn't study for it. The test is all online, and you decide, hey, I could probably cheat a bit. And you decide to find the answers to the problem online. You get a good grade for your work and answers on the problems. But you didn't learn anything, which was what the test was supposed to do. See how much you knew about the topic. Other than that, 2 more examples. Skibidi toilet and tongue secor. Like, why do these exist? To close, I know that AI is a fun technology and can be used for amazing things, like finding out facts and being able to draw things and other things like that. But is that really a help or a hindrance? Especially since the reason we write or draw is to show the world that we can do or show what's on our minds in a way that we never thought about. I find that really cool. But at some point, we need to see that we can't always look at the answer key, the AI, meaning, but to look for our own answers. In terms of AI, I can just show you. What are we doing? For those who use and work with AI, I'm not saying your job isn't important either, because making AI better will help us focus on making other things better for everyone. We're not concerned about just doing something wrong with a patient because an AI can just do a procedure at a command and do it effectively and efficiently. This could help us make advances in medicine or technology to better administer that medicine. As another example, construction. If we had an AI building the buildings, then we can focus more on the components that make up the design of that building. It can also, of course, be used to proofread and revise your scripts like it's doing for me right now. So I can focus on, the actual editing phase of the video and not have to worry about, all the other things. But there's limitations. And of course, there's a lot of them. And it shouldn't get out of the way of our own human creativity. It shouldn't get in the way of the things that we can do as humans. And above all, it shouldn't get in the way of our human knowledge. That's my 2 cents, and take it with you will. I'm not a stickler for AI. Those were my opinions. Have a great day.
Howdy guys, I'm going to be making this outro maybe a bit early. Um, just wanted to say I'm gonna be starting college, so my upload schedule might be a bit off. um, I'll try to get my uploads to be 1 week each, uh, and I want to stream at one point. So be on the lookout for that. Um, yeah. Other than that, stay amazing.